And of course, you know, I run out of storage as soon as I wanted to put my bike away. And I just deleted some things. I only have a minute free, a minute and 30 seconds free. And the camera angles, I were looking back, they were messed up, but they're better than the other ones that I tried to do. So I'm gonna post it anyways. If y'all have a comment mean to say, then say I don't care. Because I need to get something better. Yep. And hopefully the next video, maybe tomorrow, when it's warmer, some other time, we can do something funner, and better, and longer, with a better angle. See y'all. I hope this is recording, and I hope everybody that's watching this video freaking enjoys this. Oh yeah, don't mind the freaking tape, and my fingers, if you can even see what I'm doing. Just wait, hold on a second. Hold on. I have like 2 minutes left of recording, because my space is so low. I don't even know how. I deleted like 15 freaking apps, and it's still saying, my storage is full. What the heck, man? Don't know why this happens to me. Always me. I swear it does. Oh, I hope this don't freaking fail. If it does, I'm going to be mad. This is like my 15th freaking recording today. Trying to get a good freaking angle. And if I swear to God I hear my phone vibrate, that means it's dead. And I'm gonna kill myself. Ow. Now let's get out of here. Snow gets in my eyes.